Are you driving an Audi and you would like to clean the Audi MMI display by using the Audi MMI screen cleaning mode, but you don't know how to do so? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate the Audi MMI screen cleaning. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Settings. Click on Display and Brightness. Go to MMI. Click on Screen Cleaning. A new notification will pop up with a request if you would like to activate the screen cleaning. By clicking on Activate Now, the Audi MMI display will be switched off to cleaning mode. By press and hold the on-off button, the Audi MMI display will be switched on again. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.